Have you heard about the maxim of minimums? Imagine one ant or one termite invading your home. It can have very little effect on your house, your floorboards, etc. But once you have a whole colony of ants or termites moving into your house, they can do a significant amount of damage. Exactly the same with bees. One bee, well, it can sting you, but a whole swarm of bees can certainly kill you. In exactly the same way, every small little micro poison or micro radiation or micro damage to your system via whatever system will have very little effect unless they accumulate significantly over the length of your lifetime. And these days, I'm afraid there are so many different toxins, very small toxins admittedly, but if you combine their effect, they have a significant effect, especially on the second half of your life. So I think it's time you start paying attention to the maximum of minimums, and by eradicating as many of these small toxic effects or toxic radiations or stress effects or whatever can accumulate and have an effect on your health,